Are you having trouble with your PC or your Mac? System crashing, computer slowing down, or getting infected with harmful viruses? Are you afraid that it's going to cost you an arm and a leg to go to one of those electronic chains? After hearing about PC Repair and Beyond from my cousin Tony, I was so glad I called. I saved tons of money and even got a crash course on computers. My tech guy Manny worked around my busy schedule and removed all the malware and spyware from my computer. My system has never been faster than it is now. Not only did I get great pricing from PC Repair and Beyond, but I got face-to-face support, and I also got new software and free games. I really have to say thanks to PC Repair and Beyond because it's good knowing that I can count on them for all my computer needs.